Yes, hi students. Yes, good morning to everyone. The previous class, how do we have to discuss about the introduction of the sequences and series, and also I will discuss the first exercise means 9.1 exercise. Yes or no? Yes, and also just on 2 minutes, on 2 or 3 minutes, revise the previous classes, the definition of the sequences, definite sequence and infinite sequence, and a number of terms. Okay, yes, and a definition of a term. What is the definition of the term? Yes, what is the sequence? A sequence is a function. Tell me anybody. Yes, a sequence is a function whose domain is a natural number. What is the domain is natural number? The set of all natural numbers can be like that. Therefore, here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. A set of all natural numbers. Yes or no? Yes. Here, what is the sequence? Okay, na? A sequence is a function whose domain is a natural number. Okay, as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. And also, what is the finite sequence? A sequence containing a finite number of terms is called as a finite sequence, otherwise infinite sequence. Here, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here just for only for 1, 2, 3, 4 is also one of the sequence, and also 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Here even natural numbers. Okay, is also one of the sequence. Next 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on is also one of the odd, even, odd natural numbers. Yes or no? Yes, pa. Here, therefore numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on. Up to so on. Therefore, the various numbers occurring in a sequence under a the various number occurring in a sequence under a under a sequence A. The various numbers occurring in a sequence under a sequence A is called as a term. Therefore, is generally is denoted by A1, A2, A3 up to so on, AN up to so on. Is called as a term. Therefore, the first term, second term, third term, fourth term up to so on, nth term. Nth term of a sequence is denoted by AN. Okay, nth term of a sequence is denoted by n. Here A1 means the first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term, n up to general nth term of a sequence. Here for example, as an is equal to 2n. Okay, as write first three terms of a sequence. Write first three terms. First three terms for the definition of the sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain is natural numbers. So means n belongs to what tree? As n belongs to natural numbers. Okay, here put n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Therefore, A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 4. A3 is equal to 6. Therefore, first three terms of a sequence are 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6. This is finite sequence or infinite sequence? Yes, must and should be this one is a finite sequence. Okay, here infinite sequence 2, 4, 6. Therefore, yes, even natural numbers. Okay, clear? Listen, pa. As n is equal to 2n, the first three terms. Therefore, 2, 4, 6. And also I will give one of the example. I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one also one of the sequence. Okay, as 2, 4, 6, 8 is also one of the sequence. Here observe, here one of the rule is applied. Therefore, the difference of these two numbers for second term and first term, as rule is applied as difference of two numbers 4 and 2. The difference is 2. 6 and 4, the difference of 6 and 4. So means third term and second term, the difference is also 2. This one also the difference is 2. Okay, the first sequence. In general, first sequence as the difference of 2 and 1. 2 and 1, tell me. Here 1. The difference of these two number also 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 1. And also another one example I will take. Yes, listen. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to so on. Okay, tell me anybody. Yes, what is that of a sequence? As the prime number of a sequence. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to so on. What is the difference of these two numbers? 1. Okay, now 3 and 2. The difference of second number and first term. Second term and first term is 1. Okay, yes, the difference of these two numbers. Yes, 2. Okay, next the difference of these two number 2. The difference of these two number 4. Okay, as this one example, the prime number and even natural numbers are totally as general sequence general example of a sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to so on. Okay, the difference is 1, the rule is applied, the rule is there, same, the difference is same, here also the difference is same, this here also difference is same, but as tell me, yes, this difference is not same, okay, yes, the not same, year 1, year 2, year 4, next year 4, next 5, yes, okay, yes, therefore as today I am going to discuss about as the new subtopic, the progressions. What is the definition of the progression? Tell me anybody. Yes, a progression is a sequence whose terms are arranged in a certain rule. Okay, as progressions. Today I am going to discuss about new subtopic as a progression. Okay, what is the definition of the progression? As a progression is a sequence. Okay, as a progression is a sequence. Progression is a sequence whose terms are arranged in a certain rule. In a certain rule. Okay, the definition of the progression. As progression is a sequence whose terms are arranged in a certain rule. Okay, you observe it first. Yes, this one example and prime numbers also one of the example. I will take just for only these two examples. Okay, your example you just see it. See here 1 2 3 4 5 up to so on. Next 2 4 6 8 up to so on. It is even natural number. Here rule is applied. Yes, sure, 100%. Here the difference is 1. This one also difference is 1. This one also difference is 1. This one also difference is 1. And also this difference is also 2. 4 and 2 difference is 2. 6 and 4 difference is 2. 6 and 8 difference is 2. Okay. Next prime number sequence is also one of the sequence. You difference you observe first 1 2 2 4. Yes. Therefore, is according to these examples one of the wonderful conclusion result is there. What does that tell me? Anybody? Yes. Every progression is a sequence. Okay. Every progression is a sequence, but converse is a need not to be true. Is one of the very important note. Note. Yes. Every progression is a sequence. Every progression. Yes. Every progression is a sequence. Every progression is a sequence, but converse is need not to be true. But converse is need not to be true. Okay. Example, yes, general, the natural number up to sequence 1 2 3 4 up to so on, and even natural number and prime number. Okay, as right ma, as first definition of the progression and one of the road. Right note. Okay, every progression is a sequence, but converse is need not to be true. Okay, because of these example, prime number. Another one is as even natural number or as totally as only natural number 1 2 3 4 up to so on. Okay, as in a progression, as there are two types, there are already as learning in lower classes. Okay, as arithmetic progression and geometric progression, and also harmonic progressions also is there, but in your NCERT textbook not syllabus is not there. Okay, just for only for discuss as progression, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Okay, the first arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, first one. Let's now discuss arithmetic progression. Here it can be denoted by AP. Arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Okay, now what is the definition of the arithmetic progression? Tell me anybody. Yes, a sequence A1, A2, A3 up to so on An is called as a arithmetic progression. Is called as a arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence if the general if condition is applied ma, if an plus 1 is equal to an plus d, an plus d, or the difference of any term, the difference of any term and previous term is always same, is called as a arithmetic progression. Okay na? Yes, right. Along with me also federate definition as a sequence of a1, a2, a3 up to so on. Okay, a sequence of a1, a2, a3 up to so on is called as arithmetic sequence or progression. If arithmetic is called as arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, if one of the very very important condition, if an plus 1 is equal to an plus d, for all n belongs to must be natural number, n belongs to must be natural, and d is constant, d is constant and is called as common difference of an AP, common difference of an arithmetic progression or AP, arithmetic progression. Bracket nalli AP. Okay, as a sequence a1, a2, a3, a up to so on an is called as up to so on an is called as arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression if one of the conditions must be applied. If an plus 1 is equal to an plus d for all n belongs to n, and d is constant and is called as common difference of an arithmetic progression or common difference of an AP. Yes, arithmetic progression can be denoted by a abbreviated of AP, arithmetic progression. And also here shift left side or a sequence a1, a2, a3 up to so on an is called as arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression if condition, if an plus 1 minus an is equal to d, therefore the difference of any term and previous term, okay. Yes, the difference of any term, the difference of any term, the difference of any term and previous term, the difference of any term and previous term is always same, okay. The difference of any term and previous term is always same, okay. Yes, therefore the general term of a sequence, so means here in an arithmetic progression a is a first term, therefore a or a1 is a first term and d is a common difference, then general term of an AP, okay. Let general term of an AP here a is a first term, and d is a common difference, then general term of an AP, then general term of an AP yes, here listen to a first term a, next a plus d, next a plus 2d, next a plus 3d, Next, up to so on, up to so on, up to so on. Therefore, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, clear? Yes. Therefore, let a is a first term and d is a common difference. Then the general term can be written as the general term of an yes, the general term. Let us consider of an AP. A is a first term and d is a common difference. Then general term can be written as a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, up to so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, let us consider first a is a first term and d is a common difference. Okay, here therefore here a plus n minus 1d, therefore nth term of a as an AP is denoted by nth term of an AP is denoted by an and is calling for an is equal to, therefore the general term or nth term of an AP, general term or nth term of an AP is tell me an is equal to tell me pa the last term means nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is one of the very important formula, where a is a first term, d is a common difference, as n is a number of terms and an is a nth term of an AP. And also L can be written as L is also the last term. Okay, a is a first term, d is a common difference, d is a common difference of an AP, common difference of an AP. Okay, common difference of an AP. Okay, n is a number of terms and n is a nth term of an AP or general term an AP. Okay, yes, also one of the very important note now. Yes, right. Next, another one is already you know that the lower classes learn in lower classes as sum of n terms of an AP. What is sum of n terms of an AP? Can be denoted by Sn. Okay, Sn as general term of nth term of an AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is a common difference of an AP and n is number of terms. N is a number of terms. N is a number of terms. N is nth term. An is nth term or general term of an AP. Otherwise, a nothing but of Tn antanu baribodri. Can be done as a Tn is equal to. Okay, here sum of n terms of an GP, n term of an AP, sorry, as Sn is equal to sum of n terms of an AP, n terms of an AP. What is the formula? Tell me. Sn is equal to as note as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, yes, here nothing but of n by 2 as it is, right? N by 2 as it is, right? Here 2a nothing but of a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d, here nothing but of, here n by 2 as it is, right? Okay, a as it is also right. Here what that ma? Tell me. A plus n minus 1d is yes nth term of an AP, therefore an. Okay, an, therefore a plus an. Okay, a plus an, here right or and the term, and also nothing but of here n by 2 into a plus L also, right? L is the last term, nth is as up to general term or nth term of an AP. Okay, yes, right, where a, an, L and d are also as common difference of an AP. Yes, the last term of an AP, an is the nth term of an AP, n is the number of terms of an AP. Okay, Tell me one by one, write neatly in your notebook also. As where as n is a number of terms in AP, number of terms in AP. Okay, next a is a first term. A, here nothing but of a is equal to a1 also is equal to first term. Okay, a1. Okay, a nothing but of a1 also, right? No problem. A is a first term of an AP, first term of an AP. Okay, next n is a number of terms. Okay, n already over. Yes, a n, Sn is equal to n is a number of terms, a is a first term, and L is a last term of an AP, last term of an AP. D is a common difference of an AP, D is a common difference of an AP, common difference of an AP. Okay, n is the nth term of an AP or general term of nth term, nth or general term of an AP, general term of an, as general term of an AP. Okay, clear? Any doubt? As Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d ma. Here is nth term of a AP, sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP is here 2a nothing but of a plus a. Again a plus n minus 1 already discussed in previous. Therefore a n nth term of an AP. Therefore sum of n terms nothing but formula Sn can be written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d also, right? Otherwise Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or otherwise yes, Sn is equal to n by 2 into, tell me, as n by 2 into a plus l. Yes, as already, dear students, thus already discussed the definition of AP and nth term of an AP and sum of n terms of an AP. Yes or no? Here listen, here 1, 2, 3, and of the example up to so on is also an AP arithmetic progression. Therefore the common difference is same. And also here 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Therefore example and an AP. Okay, example of an AP is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Okay, now the difference is a common difference is 2. The first term a is equal to 2. Okay, a is equal to 2. Here observe first as one of the very, very, very important concept. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on is a even natural numbers. Yes sir, and also one of the sequence and also arithmetic progression also. The difference is same. The common difference is same. The difference of any term and the previous term is always same. Okay. Here first as multiplied or odd one number, odd 1. So means the constant, some constant k. Here is nothing but of 1. The 1 is adding to each term of an AP. Okay. As therefore here 2 plus 1 add 1 as 3. Okay. 4 plus 1 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, up to so on is also n. So 100%. Here the 5, the difference of these two numbers 5 and 3, 2. The difference is 2. Here also the difference is 2. Here also the difference is 2. Here also difference is 2. Therefore 100% is also an AP. Okay, the addition, subtraction as subtraction 1 as 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 1 5, 8 minus 1, tell me 7, 10 minus 1 as 9 up to so on is also as 100% is also one of the AP. As the resulting sequence is also an AP. The difference is 2. The difference is, tell me, 2. The difference is 2. The difference is 2. The difference is 2. Yes or no? Sure. And also here adding 1 and minus 1. Here divide by 2 or multiplied by 3. As first multiplied by 3 ma. then a given sequence. In example, general example, as 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on 10. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12. Okay, 6 3 is 18. Next, 8 3 is 24 up to so on. What is the common difference? The difference is, tell me, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 18 minus 12, 6. Here also 6. Next also 6. Therefore, same. Multiplied the same number, the constant, some constant k or some constant 3 is multiplied by the resulting sequence, multiplied by an AP. Therefore, the resulting sequence is also, yeah, no, the output result is also an 100% AP. Therefore, the divided by 2. Yes, divided by 2. Tell me, anybody? Yes, 2 2s are 100%, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 up to so on. Is also natural number, is also one of the progression. The difference is what, ma? Yes, 100%, 1 1 1 1. The rule is must be applied. Okay, yes, therefore, yes, these examples, according to these example, one of the wonderful properties is there. Okay, what are that properties? Yes, yes, I will write one by one. As first I will explain. Okay, I will give you an example. The difference, as any odd number, any odd to 1 in a given sequence, therefore the output result also one of the AP, and the subtraction from one number from an given AP, therefore the resulting sequence is also an AP. Okay, and also divided and multiplied also as in a given sequence or given in an AP, therefore the resulting sequence is also an 100% AP. Okay, yes, therefore the first property, according to these examples, one of the wonderful properties is there. The first one, yes, for some constant k, here for some 1, I will take general example. For some constant k is added to each term of an AP. Okay, for some constant k is added to each term of an AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. The first property. The second one, yes, for some constant k, so means 1, for some constant k is subtracted from each term of an AP, is also one of the AP. Okay, as subtracted from each term of an AP, therefore the resulting sequence 3 5 7 11 is also an AP. Okay, and if for each term of an AP is multiplied by some constant, k. Okay, multiplied by some constant k means here 3, but I will take general example. General, I will take condition k. As for each term of an AP is multiplied by some constant k, therefore the resultant sequence is also an AP. Therefore, here multiplied by the general condition is, tell me, ma, 2 4 6 8 and up to so on, even natural numbers. Okay, 3 2s are 6 12 18 24, they are also one of a AP. And also, as for each term of an AP is divided by some non-zero constant k. Some non-zero constant means k is must be not equal to 0, some non-zero constant k, therefore the resulting sequence is also an AP. Divided by number, therefore is not equal to 0, ma, is equal to 0, that is not possible. Therefore, as multiplied by divided by some non-zero constant k, some non-zero constant. General I will take k, ma, some non-zero constant, therefore the resulting sequence is also an AP. Is one of the very important concept. Okay, as write one by one. The first one, this example is there, ಇಲ್ಲಿ the first properties of an arithmetic progression, right? Heading properties. The first one, what the first one, tell me, anybody? Yes, for some constant, if for some constant k, bracket, for some constant k is added to each term of an AP, is added to as each term of an AP, then the resultant sequence also, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Second one, if for some constant k is subtracted each term is subtracted from each term of an AP. Okay, if for some constant, you take 1 3 as you wish. Okay na, 1 you take 1 means, tell me pa, so for some constant, if for some constant k is subtracted from from each term of an AP, each term of an AP, then the resultant sequence is also, then the resultant sequence is also an then the resultant sequence is also an AP. Okay, third one, if for each term of an AP, okay na, if for each term of an AP, is multiplied by some constant, k is must be not equal to 0. As if for each term of an AP is multiplied by some constant k, then the resultant sequence, then the resulting sequence is also an, yes, 100% is also an AP. And also last one, the fourth one. Okay, if for each term of an AP is divided by, if for each term of an AP is divided by some non-zero constant. Okay, some non-zero constant, k is must be not equal to 0. Okay, if for each term of an AP is divided by some non-zero constant k, then the resultant sequence, also, yes, then the resultant sequence is also an AP. Okay, that's right ma, neatly. Yes, dear students, according to properties, one of the very important note points is there in general condition. Yes, here A1, A2, A3 up to so on with a common difference. Okay, yes, A1 plus or minus k, A2 plus or minus k, A3 plus or minus k, plus or minus up to so on is also an AP with common difference D. Okay, and I will give you example also on properties also. Okay, just for in general condition, A1k, A2k, A3k up to so on is also an AP with common difference is D into k. K is must be not equal to 0. Write note clearly. Okay, neatly. Yes, next third one, A1 by k, A2 by k, A3 by k up to so on is also an AP with common difference D by k. Okay, therefore k is must be not equal to 0. Okay, clear? Yes, according to properties. And also one of the very important note ma, listen carefully. I will give general example first. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 100 terms, and also up to so on. Here the last term in generally 100. First term is 1. Yes, 100 plus 1. How much? Tell me. Yes, 101. 101. Okay na? So means 1 plus 100. Next ma. Okay, is equal to second term and the last of the previous term. Therefore here what is there? As 99. 99 plus 2 as 2 plus 99 is equal to what ma? As 101 only na? 101 is also 101. Next 3 plus 98 is equal to also 101 up to so on. Okay, yes, therefore in general condition, if A1, A2, A3 up to so on n is an AP, then a1 plus an is equal to a2 plus an minus 1 is equal to a3 plus an minus 2 is equal to up to so on. Okay, is one of the very important result. One of the very important concept for especially for CET and JEE also. Concept is very important. Yes, next in general condition here 1 2 3 4 up to so on, here consider as a1 a2 a3 a4 up to so on. Next I will take b1 b2 b3 b4 up to so on. So means I will take even natural numbers, so means 2 4 6 8 up to so on. That's wonderful results is there. Listen carefully. Here add a1 plus b1. Okay, a1 plus b1. Next a2 plus b2. Next a3 plus b3 up to so on is also an AP. 2 plus 1 3 ma. 4 plus 2 6 3. Next 6 plus 3 9 3. 8 plus 4 12 ma. Okay, yes or no? The difference of these two numbers same. The difference of these two numbers 3 only. The difference of these two numbers also 3 only up to so on is also one of the AP. Okay, I will take first a1 a2 a3 up is also an AP. b1 b2 b3 is also an AP. Therefore add these terms a1 plus b1 is also an AP. But a1 b1 a2 b2 okay a3 b3 up to so on, and a1 by b1 a2 by b2 a3 divided by b3 is not an AP. Is one of the very important point ma. Listen carefully. 2 1 ja 2 into 1 2 na dear. Listen carefully ma. 4 2 ja 8 6 3 ja 18. The difference of these two number 6. The difference of these two number 10. Therefore is not an AP. It's a wonderful result. Okay, the next one here a1 by b1 or b1 by a1 ma. A1 by b means 1 by 2. Next a2 by here a1 by b1. Next here 2 for 1 2 3 4 next listen. And also another an example I will take as here 2 4 8 3 6 8. So I will another an example I will take as 1 3 5 7. Okay, therefore here b1 a1. Next b2 b1 by a1 2 2 2 is 4. Next another an example you will take as here 1 2 3 4 5 up to so on. Okay, next here 3 5 7 11 9 up to so on, divided by 1 by 3 2 by 5 3 by 7 is therefore not a common difference. Okay, therefore a1 by b1 a2 b2 a3 b3 is not a NAP, and also a1 by b1 and this one example is satisfied ma. But another one example you take is not satisfied. Okay, as 1 by 2 1 by 2 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 6 1 by 2 4 by 8 is also 1 by 2. But here reverse you take same. But another one example you take 1 by 3. Therefore 0.33 2 by 3 means 0 20 as point something here 2 5 3s are that's the same. Very observe first wait. Yes, you take another an example. That's example 1 2 3 4 and even natural numbers and even natural numbers and 1 2 3 satisfied. But otherwise you take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to so on. Here also 1 3 5 7 up to so on. Okay na. Here a1 b1 c1. Here multiplied a1 by b1 is equal to 1. Okay, the difference is 1. Next 2 divided by 3 means 1.5. Therefore as is not satisfied is not an AP. Is not an AP. Okay, yes, therefore write note ma is one of the very important note as note as if a1 a2 a3 if a1 a2 a3 up to so on an up to so on n is an AP then tell me the first term and the last term. Therefore adding of the first term and the last term is equal to therefore adding of the second term and the last of the previous term. And also I will give example also na as a1 plus an is equal to a2 plus an minus 1, okay, is equal to a3 plus an minus 2 is equal to up to so on. That's one of the very important. And also first one. The second one, if a1 a2 a3 up to so on is an a1 a2 a3 so on up to so on, and b1 b2 b3 up to so on is an ap, is an ap, then the first point, tell me. Yes, the note point 2 nalli first one, sub 1, a1 a2 a3 up to so on and b1 b2 b3 up to so on is an ap, then a1 plus or minus b1, a2 plus or minus b2, a3 plus or minus b3 up to so on is an ap, Second point, tell me here, a1 b1 a2 b2 a3 b3 up to so on and a1 divided by b1, okay, a2 divided by b2, a3 divided by b3 up to so on is not an ap, I will give example also, okay, already I will give example, I will explain, but you write only note point. a1 b1 a2 by 2 a3 b3 and a1 by b1 a2 by b2 a3 by 3 is also not an ap, but addition and subtraction is satisfied. a1 plus or minus b1, a2 plus or minus b2, a3 plus or minus b3 up to so on is an ap. One of the very important point, a1, okay, up to so on. Here a1 plus an is equal to a2 plus an minus 1, second term and adding up the loss of the previous term is equal to a3 plus an minus up to so on is also an ap, okay. Yes, one of the very important concept, okay. Yes, thank you for watching the video. Yes, next class I will discuss the second exercise. Next goes to second exercise, okay. Yes, thank you.